Greetings, family. My name is SAS, SAS, all capitals, Calligraphy by SAS.
Great.
And I'm glad to be here with our distinguished panel again for our conference with Africa for the Africans. And I always love sharing my gift that the ancestors and Creator have blessed me with. It's a mobile global ministry of the written word. I write this by hand in calligraphy. And calligraphy, of course, is the art of beautiful handwriting or penwomanship. If a woman's holding the pen, it's penwomanship. If a woman holding the pen, it's penmanship. So since I'm holding the pen, it's penwomanship. And, you know, I say this, Sister Amakus inspires me greatly. I'm writing my way to freedom. So when I come here, this is my 5th trip here.
Great.
My first under the auspices of Dr. Kofi Kandwani of the Morehouse School of Medicine, when he was installed as a chief in the Atsing-Manso region. Dr. Kofi's my friend, and I was honored to be here that first time with him and Dr. Barbara of Hillside Chapel and Truth Center International. Folk ask me, am I a missionary? Am I traveling with the church group? And I'm like, no, I'm traveling with Bomani in Africa for the Africans. Why? Because I had a great experience like hopefully we all are having. But I don't leave who I am at home. When folk ask me, well, what are you doing when you go to Ghana? Who are you being? I'm being who I'm being anywhere I'm being in the world. I don't change who I'm being because of geography. And so I'm honored to have some of my products here that I've made into framables, as Bomani and some know, since really 1983. So this is who I'm being, and I come to Ghana, and I've met my brother before, talking some business, because I'm an entrepreneur. And I don't just stop working, especially with mine for 2 weeks. I'm working, I'm on my gig, okay? So, I have products that hopefully educate, uplift, and inspire the hearts and minds of folk. Our young people, especially today, I got so excited, Sister Amakus, when we were at the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial, and there was this wonderful group of students that were there with their teachers. And I had laminated some products I thought I was going to have here on the table, but I wanted those students to have those products, and I just gave them to them. Yeah. And they got so hyped and excited, and I got hyped and excited, and then I started spitting rhyme and speaking words of these products, because they've helped me. You see, I'm not like I was in 1978 when I began doing calligraphy in Louisville, Kentucky, where I lived, and left the telephone company to do this full-time in 1980. So, you know, really, what I'm saying that whatever your gifts are, this is mine. Then I can transfer these skills. Why do I say that? Because the White House has 10 full-time calligraphers. You see, when there's certain invitations and proclamations and constitutions and poetries and things, then it's not the other way around where computers create that. This computer creates the fonts that create that technology. Yeah, yeah. So this is the master computer. Left and right hemisphere. Pay attention to your handwriting, folks. Your cursive handwriting particularly. Why do I say that? Because when we were old school and learning penwomanship and making those hoops and loops, and Peppy Park and I talked about this one before. So you forgot how to write. You just peck and type and digit. But I just love what I have to share. And at the appropriate time, I would not be SAS, Sharon Ann Smith, Calligraphy by SAS, if I didn't share who I'm really being here. And I have a desire to share this here. And it's going to happen very soon. Why? Because I say so, and I'm prepared to do the actions to have it happen. All right. And a made-up mind is a powerful thing. I'm also known as the High Priestess Seisha. And I'm stepping more into that ownership. Why? Because when I went to Kemet with Nana Bafur, the ancestors with me now, I honor them all. He took me to the temple walls of ancient Kemet. And the 5,000 to 10,000 years of history was written on the temple walls. Right. You see, it began with us, with me, civilization herself. So I'm not trying to dumb down now and forget everything I know, but I do want to write the words of our ancestors, Kwame Nkrumah or the Honorable Marcus Garvey. I do have them. And I'm going to say this, and I'm going to take my seat because we all are going to move to the next thing. And I don't want to slow that roll down. But the Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garvey said this one, and I calligraphied this one in 1993. And this is like a little digital thing here that I use as a little black and white thing, so I didn't draw that. But it says, if you have no confidence in yourself, you're twice defeated in the race of life. Twice defeated if you don't have any confidence in yourself. For with confidence, you've won even before you have started. Now, this is one little product that, I thank the Creator and ancestors for. But how many young men and women, and sometimes the more mature ones, can't be reminded of something like that? So at your convenience, on your way out, you can come by and take some of these home for your home, office, friends, and souvenirs, even back here, wherever, and help a sister out with some circulation into the economy. And I'm going to circulate it right out here. Yeah. See? I'm not taking these back to Atlanta. I packed them, I laminated them, I did what I do. One suitcase has stuff, but I really want some of you to take a look at what I do and accept my offering. And as I take my seat, as I take my seat, I want to leave you with this with you. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we're powerful beyond measure. It's our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, and fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God. Your playing small does not serve this world. There's nothing, absolutely nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. You hear me? Yeah. We were born to manifest the glory of God that is within us. It's not just in some of us. It is in everyone. And I do mean everyone. And as we let our own light shine, our confidence automatically liberates others. I say our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we're powerful. Powerful. And I do mean powerful beyond measure. That's Yah. I'm Yah. A sector right here. And our word creates our world. It's a word to world fit. And I'll write that for you if you think you might forget.